Hey guys, Liam McManus here with Sandy Hook Yachts out of our Tarpon Springs, Florida location. I am currently on a Antonio D42. We'll be going over some really cool features that I like about this boat, so come on, let's check it out. So starting at the back of the boat, you can see I am on the optional extended platform. This is on a hydraulic lift, so it's really easy to get you in and out of the water super quick. So one of the staples of Antonio is their hidden outboard feature. So as you can see, it's super easy to lift the platform up, which gives you access to the triple Mercury 350s. There's three different options that you can get when it comes to the engine package. Obviously, we went with the Mercury 350 V10 Verados. You could do a step down and get the 300 V6 Verados, or step up and do triple 400 V10 Verados as well. But in my opinion, the 350s is the perfect engine package for this model. So one of the coolest features about having the hidden outboards is you have this huge Aft Lounger, which you can easily fit, I'd say 4 to 5 people, maybe more. So another great feature is the storage. As you can see, huge storage. I mean, really, you could use this for anything. You can option it to have a inflatable tender with a little crane, or just store any water toys, lines, fenders, whatever you could think of. A ton of space in this. So as we move forward, we have these really neat pop-up lights. Super easy to deploy. They turn on and off as you push them in or pull it out. So moving forward, as you can see, we have plenty of seating and a nice entertainment area. 2 5-folding tables. The really cool thing about this is it gives you the capability to move around super easy. So instead of scooching around on the side, you can cut right through and take a nice seat and then just pull out the tables and enjoy a nice day on the water right here. As you can see, you have a nice cooktop as well as sink. You got 2 cutting boards as well as storage on both sides. You have your optional second fridge on both sides, as well as just more storage for plates, napkins, silverware, anything you could really think of. So as we move forward to the helm area, one thing that is hard to miss is the fender storage. And the fact that it's super easy to the captain makes docking and maneuvering the boat in tight spaces that much simpler, to where you can easily pull out the fenders and use these huge, very nice cleats. So moving to the helm area, one thing I can't help but not notice is the 4 helm seats with the flip-up bolsters. These seats sit pretty low, so you feel nice and secure, especially when underway. Then I know the captain's chair, it's on a track, so I can pull it forward to get me a little bit closer to all the controls. As you can see, you have your twin 12-inch Simrad screens, joystick, bow thruster. You got your zip wake trim tabs. You have your JL audio head unit, as well as all the gauges you may need. And one of the cool things with this particular boat is we have the full windshield, which on days like today where it's cold, a little breezy, kind of keeps you out of the elements. So moving down to the cabin space, as you can see, super spacious. So looking right here, you have your nice switch panel, more storage in here, as well as another fridge right here. Then you have 2 different berths. You have the aft one, plenty of space, a nice U shape. As I said, I'm about 6 foot, and I could easily lay down right here. Tons of space. Some storage under here as well. So moving forward, you have your nice forward berth. As you can see, there's storage on both sides of the boat, as well as some storage under here. Then you got some access into some batteries, like the bow thruster and so on. Then also a beautiful head with a nice separated shower as well. Kind of keeps the wet stuff away from being dry in here. So moving over to the bow of the boat, as you can see, just like anything on this boat, is space. You got your forward lounger right here, which easily fit, I'd say 3 to 4 people. So more seating right here as well as plenty of storage. As you can see, we fit a good size fender in there. Then you have a very big anchor locker with your windlass and plenty of chain as well. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for coming along. Again, my name is Liam McManus with Sandy Hook Yachts in Tarpon Springs. Come check out this boat in person. It's in stock here at our Tarpon Springs location. See you guys then.